get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling, yeah. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling, yeah.
Yes, I can. Doubt, better leave. I'm running with this plan. Pull me, grab me, crabs in the bucket can't have me. I'll be the president one day. January 1st. Oh, you like that gossip? Like you the one drinking what gossip.com. Now I got a word for your tongue. How many Rolling Stones you want? Yeah, I got a brand new spirit speaking and it's done. Woke up on the side of the bed like I won. Talk like the wind in my chest to that sun. G5 in the US to Taiwan. Now who can say that? I wanna play back. Mama knew I was a needle in a haystack. I'm a body boy, plus made back. I got a feeling it's a rap. ASAP.
Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling, yeah. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling.
The mountains top, walk on water. I got power, feel so royal. 1 second, I'ma strike for you. Diamond, platinum, no more for you. That adrenaline, never giving in. Giving up's not an option, gotta get it in. Witness, I got the heart of 20 men. No fear, go to sleep in the lion's den. That glow, that spark, that crown. You're looking at the king of the jungle now. Stronger than ever, can't hold me down. 100 miles gunning from the pitcher's mouth. Straight game face, it's game day. See me running through the crowd full of melee. No trick plays, I'm Bill Gates.
Ovako, iz perspektive jednog gosta na tribinama ili ovdje u publici, to može uvijek tako izgledat. Međutim, ovo je, ko je malo pratio, ko će vidjeti reportažu, to je masu rada da se postave te rampe, da se dofura snijeg ovdje, da se ne otopi snijeg, da se staza ne pokvari. To što se tiče natjecateljskog dijela, da ne govorimo o tome da treba dovesti natjecatelje u Rijeku, objasniti im da je Rijeka dobila licencu ove godine, to natjecanje znači Ticket to Ride, 2 zvjezdice, druge godine se očekuje i više. Što se tiče zabavnog dijela, isto tako, uvijek može bolje, ali mislim da je ovo jako dobro u ovom trenutku. TBF definitivno najaktualniji bend u Hrvatskoj, kraj hladnog piva koje je tek došlo s kolegijumom iz Francuske. Mislim da će biti jako dobro. Filip Motovunski već jedno vrijeme zagrijava ekipu, polako se skupljamo. Čuće, riječka publika će možda prvi put čuti večeras, možda najbolji istarski cover band. Tako da svakako će biti dobro svakom ko dođe. Nakon njih Connect i onda TBF. Vjerujem da isplati se doći. I get a good feeling, yeah. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling, yeah.
Presenečenje, kaj ne rečem, mislim, nevjerovatno. Ne znam šta da kažem, to je... Bio sam prije godine drugi i to je to ovdje u Rijeki, a bio sam i treći, ali tako, to je to, mislim da bolje svake godine je najbolje, tako da uvijek je nešto novo, uvijek je top, super, najbolje.
I get a good feeling, yeah.